was sitting on my shirt. I was like, why does it keep falling down? Because I was sitting on it.
Oh no.
It's one of those hair days where it's not.
Where you wear it straight because you don't like it.
Hey guys!
Do you know how many of you guys have asked if we were doing this video?
Why though?
Because it's fun!
No, why are you worried we ain't gonna do it? We're gonna do it.
That's right. Don't be worried.
Glossybox vs. Boxycharm. Let's go.
We're here for it. And we hope you are too.
I'm scared.
I'm weak.
Okay, so before we get started, you know, the drill. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Opt into all, because obviously you want to know when we upload.
You don't want to miss out.
And itchy nose.
Because then you'll be weak and scared.
Itchy nose. Definitely
And
feels
shook.
itchy. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, so this is an unboxing. These are about $20 a month. Some of them have full size. Some of them have...
Super deluxe.
Yeah, like full size to deluxe-ish, that range. Deluxe to full size would be the
We
correct
just
way.
replaced those batteries.
Yeah, they're weak.
They're weak.
Anyways, let's just go unbox, shall we?
Glossybox.
All right.
What? I don't know.
Did you have too many coffees this morning?
Didn't have enough. And I kind of think on the way home, because y'all, we came up here on a Saturday to film videos for you, because guess who? Guess who's here for videos again?
Just her. I'm not here. I'm out. Just kidding.
We're here for it.
I woke up on my Saturday and I didn't watch Lifetime movies, and I actually bathed.
Let me
you.
just address this, and you might not have been thinking about it, but now's a good time as any to talk about it. Stefanie and I work together, obviously. And if you are filled in on Madison and Mallory, our clothing site, we also have a super exclusive invitation request only private Facebook group that you guys can join if you would like, and it's where we sell items before they go on the website, or
they never go on the
sometimes
website.
they never go on the website, and you always get free shipping when you pay within the first hour of commenting on the item. But that's all to say, Stefanie has been doing all of the photos on the group, and I have been doing the editing of the videos. So that's how we are splitting up what we're doing.
Instead of splitting up like half us doing half photos each and us doing half editing each, you know, we're just giving each other jobs. Like full on, this is your responsibility jobs instead of splitting.
Which I think I've enjoyed editing / I can knock out a video and get it done.
I get bored so easily.
Yeah, Steph gets a little bit bored in the editing process. And then
I love creative videos. I'll edit a vlog. I'll edit the crap out of a creative editing vlog.
And then Steph's a little bit more particular about the photos for the Facebook group, and I just sometimes don't feel I look as cute as Steph could look in the photos. So it's just one of those situations where like editing videos is good for me, doing those photos are good for you, and we found a way that, you know, it works. So just because I know
and they
some
take
people
similar
have asked.
amounts of time.
Yeah.
Like I'll have to go back in a room for like a couple hours, like
but
2
not
or
just
so hours
that.
to do that.
Like you'll have to get them scheduled and all that stuff. So, but some people had asked like why I didn't do the photos, and it's like because I'm editing the videos. So we can be here for y'all.
Glossybox first. Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Go.
We'll have a link down below if you guys want to check out the Facebook group. It's Madison and Mallory exclusive.
We're also gonna start live streaming there, so get excited.
Guess what? Can we tell them the super exciting news about the Facebook group?
Oh, well, this is like low key, but you guys know we have Madison and Mallory app. We're also going to have an MM exclusives app
For the group.
in the works.
As soon as
Coming
we know,
soon.
we'll tell you guys.
Look good, feel great. It says follow the 6-week Glossybox program on cyber aerobics. Did you catch it? And it's a nutrition guide for a happier, healthier life. I like pizza.
What? What does that have to do with that?
It talked about following the nutrition, and I like pizza. Like, I don't want kale chips.
But like, Stefanie and I always talk about how we want to,
I don't want cauliflower pizza. I want real pizza.
Towards a better version of ourselves, you know? Like, do the things you can to be a better us. But if I told her, let's go to Cece's at the end of this video, she would do it. And do you know what I also talk about?
Can we please?
Do you know what I also talk about?
I gotta do a 3 o'clock post though.
Okay, listen. Do you know what I also talk about with her all the time? That we should do a meetup at Cece's.
Would you be down?
Would you be there for that?
We should do a Cece's cross-country tour.
Oh my god, I would so do that.
And we can ride in a Cece's bus.
Oh my god, that would be so amazing.
And go do pop-up Cece's buffets.
Yes. Oh my god, comment.
Cece's, come at us. Let's do a cross-country. Get your pizza on with EG.
I would love that so much. I talk about it all the time, you guys, because we love Cece's so much. And And every time we go eat, I'm like, how fun would it be to do a meet and greet here?
And just all eat some pizza.
And just coming out and get down on some pizza buffet at Cece's. Okay, that's all. All right.
If we hire any more people on, that's where our interviews are going to be.
Yeah. It's like, we're going to need you to meet us at
Cece's, because if you want to work with us, you're going to have to like Cece's. Are you allergic to gluten? Okay, we'll find you something at Cece's.
Yeah.
Are you allergic to dairy? We'll find you something.
There's salads.
CC's.
There's salads at
There are
Cece's.
salads
There you go.
And desserts.
And desserts, but I don't know that they're gluten-free.
Okay, this is Wheat Dad. Advanced Climate Control, Anti-Frizz, Restore and Revive, all curl types. It's a curling. You might like this.
Yeah.
But actually, also, I might like it because it's not heavy.
Oh, yeah.
I can't do creams.
Right.
I have to do sprays. But shake
feel
well, mist
it.
all over, scrunch to define the curl.
It's got like, it's like an oil.
It probably smooths out the frizz with that oil. I'm excited. Ooh, is it beach
Look
time
at
yet?
it. It looks real neat. Now it's all shaken, not
It
stirred.
feels like good packaging.
Yeah. Cool.
Excited. It's like faux glass packaging.
Yeah. I'm interested to try it.
Yeah. We'll just get to the beach and give it a go. That's the only time we let our hair go curly, really.
Let's look at this. It's a blush by Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. So it looks like a collaboration, and it is a baked blush in rose beige. Let's see what it's about. We got red battery. Ooh, it's real pretty, but it looks very light.
Sometimes baked blushes feel dry to me.
Yeah.
It's like a highlight. It's a highlight.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Defo highlight. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah.
Look. It's real pretty.
Yeah, that's a highlight.
know
I think
what?
that's a blush, really?
I mean, it says it. I really like that tone because it almost goes with the pinkiness of my skin.
What?
Yeah. That's real nice.
Look at that. Nose action.
I did it. What?
Okay. I'm not mad at that.
It's
How is
not
that?
too super crazy intense.
How is that?
Okay, it says creates a warm glow to brighten and highlight every complexion. The micronized color pigments and luxurious
It
pressed
says
powder.
put it on high points of the face, such as cheekbones, brow bones. It can be applied on top of blushes or on the eyelids for extra shimmer. See, it says on top of blushes.
Yeah,
So, I don't know about that.
it's real pretty.
More stuff.
Whoops. I definitely had my phone on silent.
That was mine.
You heard it, right?
I heard mine. I wasn't really listening.
Whatever.
Okay, this is... What are you? It looks like two O's, like Oolution.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure. It's I Love, balances my skin, eye contour, anti-dark circle, and puffiness.
It's a thing.
Break rules. It's very random. It is,
Yeah.
It is Oolution, 100% natural. So, I mean, I think it's supposed to like depuff and stuff. It's just, it doesn't have a good streamline of words.
Yeah.
It's like Oolution, balances my skin, I Love, contour, anti-dark, yeah.
Shark Tank would have something to say about that packaging.
I mean, I like skincare though.
Yeah. Okay, this is a La Roche-Posay. They do skincare, I believe. And these are clarifying oil-free cleansing towelettes. And they have micro-exfoliating lipohydroxy acid.
Just interesting. Spring water on it.
And it says a concern if you have oily skin and uneven skin texture. Gentle pre-moistened towelettes, micro-exfoliating the acid stuff, cleanses away oil and
That
fat
acid stuff.
including microscopic pollution for long-lasting clean feel. Visibly smooth and refined skin texture. Cool.
I feel like we've gotten this in a red bottle, but
like
it's
bigger.
Rituals, the Ritual of Tao, bringing peace and tranquility into life, balancing foaming shower gel. This is White Lotus and Yi Ren.
Yee Ren.
I don't know if that's really what it is. I
Is it shower
like,
gel?
Yeah, I just wish I could get like a little,
Just to smell it?
yeah, but
I think the front has to be.
well, it broke the seal when I did that.
Oh, that's a
There
lot.
it is.
Hey, we got this though.
It just smells clean. Ooh, look at it.
Foam.
Well, it starts out gel and then it goes
Yeah.
to like shower cream. It just smells clean.
Yeah, I like it.
Foam.
Is that it?
That's it. Seemed
sometimes
kind
it
of
was
like
more than
a
that.
poor showing, but
Yeah.
I'm not mad, but I'm also not like, ooh, you know?
Yeah.
I'm like, ooh.
Let's see what Boxycharm has to offer, okay? Okay. So this is what it looks like on first glance.
I see a repeat offender.
Repeat offender? Oh.
I think. I'm not sure though.
Well, I just want to go for the big boy. Okay, this is a ColourPop semi-precious.
You're fired.
Looked like an and eyeshadow palette. It's fun. It's real pretty. Look at it. It has fun colors like Beam Me Up, and Easy Go, Up an Atom, and The Game, Upon a Star, Bashful, and West Star. It kind of...
Ooh, I need.
It kind of makes me think of like Disney because like the names. Yeah, it's real nice, y'all. I don't think I've touched any of the ColourPop like
Pressed.
I think it's magnetic. It's definitely magnetic.
I want these colors in my eyes.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
Oh.
This one of these didn't swatch that great.
Same. This gold one right here. This one right here is not as good as the other ones.
I mean
it's
still really
it's buildable though.
Yeah.
This one though, this first one,
right
here, was real pretty.
That's amazing.
Like, let's just pop you on just to. You kind of match what I have on already because I've got like a look going.
You got a look going.
Like lately, I've been wanting the same color on my lid every time.
Yeah, basic.
That's so pretty.
It's really pretty. Show them.
I mean, can you see it? Can you see it? It's so pretty. It's like there's like a rose gold, a bluey, purpley, icy color,
really pretty.
The pinky color, and then the gold, like the bronze. It's so pretty.
I'm here for it. Oh shoot.
I've been there for it.
Yeah. Beam Me Up is the blue color.
It's so pretty.
It's really fun. Cool.
There's some good brands because there's a Tarte right here.
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about liquid highlighter, but it's definitely a good brand. So this is Tarte Liquid Highlighter in Exposed. Maybe I can get down with it in the summer. I kind of thought about mixing it with foundations in the summer because I've never done that.
What if you, oh my goodness, what if you look like a disco ball?
I mean, I think that, like, okay, if I did this and that was mixed in with foundation, I don't think you would look like a disco ball. I think it would just give you like a like, look, I think mixed in, like very lit. No, not as much as I put.
Yeah.
Not as much as I put, just a drop mixed in would be really pretty. Liquid highlighter is never concentrated enough in one spot.
Yeah.
So I feel like that's the only way I would get down with it, would be to mix it in with something. And I wonder how it says to even use it. It doesn't on here, but it's so cool.
We got this Odessa, and we had this in Boxycharm, Birchbox or Ipsy. Our most recent video, we had this brand. It's a high definition liquid lipstick.
There are some brands that get around.
They get around. And let's see, what do you look like? Okay, we gotta bookit.com or we're gonna run out of battery.
Ooh, pretty.
It is like a really big outer package and just teeny inside, like look. Right? It doesn't have a color name. It just says high definition liquid lipstick, no color name. Oh, it's a pretty color though. It doesn't seem like a drying. It looks like it's gonna be like shiny, right? What's the color? It's pretty. What? It doesn't really smell like anything, but it's a thing.
This is the Brow Gal, and I'm a little bitter Betty here because I'm 90% sure that Boxycharm has our hair color. Don't they?
Probably.
I feel like they should. If they don't, then I'm not sure why. But this is the Brow Gal, the Instant Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers, and it's in brown hair.
Brown hair.
But it doesn't.
It kind of looks taupey.
It looks blonde.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only number 2.
Yeah.
So I don't know why.
It might work.
Maybe they just have weird color. Because I was trying to see how, like, concentrated it got. Oh, grape lady. I don't know. I've been using brow gel lately, but
same.
I was looking at some people's eyebrows that make videos, and to make them like thick and full, they legit let them grow out like all down below and then like create shit. It's so interesting. I couldn't do it. As soon as I start to see stray hairs, I gotta clean them up. You know what I'm saying? I mean, not as much as you do a better job than I do with keeping it clean. But I just don't.
I just don't think I get as many. Okay, this is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask from Dr. Brandt.
Oh wait, no, I don't have that. I have the pore primer that looks like that.
Oh, well this is a mask and it's for oily combination skin. You put it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry 2 to 3 times a week for maximum results. And
I thought wash off stuff just doesn't work.
no, it's a mask.
Oh.
5 to 10 minutes.
Oh, so if you leave it on and then wash it off,
yeah.
you're good. What about the cleanser from Drunk Elephant? It's a wash off.
I don't know. I'm not sure about cleansers where you wipe them off, like where you wash your face and wipe off. I've heard that skincare products like that don't really have like...
So cleansers, if you keep a mask on and then you wash off maybe.
Like, okay, like if it's a cleanser, right? And it's supposed to have like anti-aging properties and that kind of stuff.
And you just rub it on and wipe off.
I don't think that's gonna do anything. Like if it has it, I don't know. Not a skincare expert. Y'all can share whatever knowledge you have about like products that get put on when, like cleansing products. Like what real benefits can you expect from them other than to like take your makeup off and not leave your skin feeling stripped?
Let's be extremely real about who just won this battle.
Boxycharm. Oh my gosh. Like the color pop palette alone does it.
Like I almost wish we could put it against another box.
But I don't know what's out there in the $20 range that makes sense.
But Boxycharm kills it.
The Allure that I used to get a few years ago is a $15 box, and it's somewhere in between Birchbox and Boxycharm, or like Ipsy and that. You know, I mean, the Sephora Play is in there with Ipsy and Birchbox, so I don't know what $20 sample box.
Boxycharm just kills it.
It does.
I almost wish I could just open Boxycharm and put it on my face and try the products in it, then actually even battle anything.
I almost wish that you and I could both get Boxycharm subscriptions so we don't fight over the products in it.
Because they're so good.
Yeah.
You should.
Another sneeze coming on.
Because it would be one thing if you were getting a lot of samples to try, but you're getting palettes and stuff that are good.
Nice.
And I kind of want them. So.
All right, guys, leave it down in the comments. Which one do you think was better, Boxycharm or Glossybox? If you have any recommendations on other boxes that are in that same price range of $20 that you think would go good against Boxycharm.
We know Sephora Play is good, but they are $10.
Yeah, they're like the Birchbox Ipsies.
Yeah, so if we even got that again, which we have before in the past, it would be in that category. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.
We have an exclusive Facebook group that you guys should go check out because lots of fun stuff's going on in there and you can get deals for real.
And we'll talk to you guys in a video super soon.
We sure will.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. If you guys enjoyed that video and want to see more like it, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click the circular channel icon and it'll sub you right up.